Hi, my name is Lucy with the Seth Brothers. Welcome to 6363 Fairdale at Fairdale Place Reserve in Houston. This three-story home sits in a gated community with only 20 homes. Let's take a tour. This three-story home, it's in a prime location as it is conveniently located near shops and restaurants within minutes from major highways such as Highway 59, Sam Houston Tollway, and 610 Loop. It is also just a few miles from Galleria, Memorial Park, Museum District, Medical Center, and downtown Houston. On the first level, this room is currently being used as a sitting area and can easily be converted into a room as it has a closet and a full bath. On the second level, you have this magnificent open concept kitchen and living space. This beautiful kitchen features 42-inch wood cabinets, granite countertops, your half bath is on this floor, and your breakfast area that is all beautifully bright and light throughout. This living area is huge. You have crown molding all around, high ceilings, your own balcony, wood flooring, great extra space for your either formal dining or sitting area as it's been currently used. On the third level, you have the master suite with incredibly high ceilings, crown molding, great master closet, super bright throughout. On the master bathroom, you have your double sinks, your jetted tub, your standalone shower. This secondary room that is also on the third level, it's very spacious and you can turn it into your office or guest space. And here you have your great outdoor space. It is perfect for an afternoon reading a book or inviting your friends over and having a grilling night. Hope you enjoyed the tour today. Call us to schedule your private showing because this could be your next home.